9 years later, this little guy is still alive, and maybe that's the real flex. iPhone 8 Plus, still running, usable, not ready to give up. In the era of Face ID, dynamic island, 120Hz display, AI everywhere, the beast iPhone 8 Plus, a phone that first came out in 2017, and after 9 years of use, it is still running. No dynamic island, no Face ID, no edge-to-edge display, just a home button and a touch ID that still works. And honestly, for call, message, social media, YouTube, it still gets the job done. That says something about how well the phone was built. In 2026, the iPhone 8 Plus is officially showing its age, and compared with today's iPhone, the difference is huge. But here's the real question. Is the iPhone 8 Plus still worth it in 2026? If you already have one, yes, the battery is healthy, the app you still use work, and you don't need the latest features. Keep it. You don't need to replace a phone just because something newer exists.